HiContentz, live life. Today we're going to be checking out Ke Kilohana 3806. Let's go check it out. Okay, this is the living area facing Diamond Head. I noticed this all the kakaako buildings here, and you have all these super nice view of the ocean. Wow, this is super pretty. Alright, so and then here's the kitchen, refrigerator, a lot of the cabinet storage space. There's all the refrigerator and microwave, although appliances is Samsung too. There's double sink and also a dishwasher too. Okay, alright, so next to the door, let's see what this is. Like a storage space. Good stuff in here. And I guess this is the way into the bedroom. I see on the right here, there's more storage spaces too, which is nice. Okay, let's jump into the first bedroom. Okay, so there's AC in every room, and similar view as the living area, the living room. You know, city plus the ocean. Very nice views. There's a closet too. Nice size closet. Okay, so when you step out, there's laundry, full size washer and dryer. And then next to here is the second bedroom. Okay. Yeah, so all the rooms are lined up towards the Diamond Head side, so the views are mostly all similar. Every room has similar views, I believe. You know, there's city, mountain, and ocean view each room, which is awesome. All right, and also comes with the closet space. Nice size closet. Okay, and here is the first bathroom. Very nice. I mean, this is a brand new building that was just built 2019, this year. Okay, and this is the master bedroom. So you also have the AC. Same nice, beautiful view. Yeah, master room is a little bit bigger than the other first two rooms. And master bedroom also have master bathroom, which is also very nice. See the tub. Alright. And this is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-parking unit. Square footage 1173. Okay, the beautiful things about this unit is the maintenance fee is $659. You can't beat that in this area or kakaako with this amazing views, amazing amenities. One of a kind. Yep, so that was the preview of 3806 Ke Kilohana, unit 3806, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 parking. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.